Have you ever thought about building a pond or water feature in your garden? These tranquil additions can enhance your outdoor space, providing a serene sanctuary right in your backyard. From planning to construction, we'll guide you through every step. Stay tuned to learn how you can create your very own garden oasis. The first step in creating your pond or water feature is planning and designing. Selecting the right location is crucial. You'll want a spot that gets enough sunlight but also offers some shade. Consider the size, depth, and shape that will best complement your garden. Think about whether you want a naturalistic pond or a formal, symmetrical one. The materials you choose, like liners, pumps, and stones, will also play a key role in the final look. Once you have your design and materials, you're ready to start building. Now comes the exciting part, building your pond or water feature. To begin, you'll need to dig a hole that matches your pre-planned design. Once done, it's time to install the liner, which acts as a barrier between the soil and water. Make sure it's snug and secure. Next, we layer rocks and gravel. This not only gives your pond a natural look, but also protects the liner from damage. Now, let's move on to the pump and filter system. A good system is vital for keeping the water clean and the pond's ecosystem healthy. Once installed, you can finally add water. And don't forget the plants. They provide oxygen for any fish and add visual appeal. With your pond now in place, it's time to add the final touches. To keep your pond or water feature looking its best, regular maintenance is required. This includes routine cleaning of the pump and filter system, checking the water level, and monitoring the health of both flora and fauna. With proper care, your pond or water feature can provide a tranquil retreat in your garden for many years to come. Building a pond or water feature in your garden is a rewarding project that adds beauty and value to your outdoor space. From planning and design to construction and maintenance, we've covered it all. We hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!